Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com and we are looking at the GBP US dollar. This is a 4-hour chart, but this 4-hour chart looks quite bearish from my point of view. Not only that it looks bearish, it looks that we are having a contracting triangle that is about to act as a reversal pattern, or in other words, we might look for a classical ABC. In both situations, price will most likely head to the downside. What does it mean, a triangle that acts as a reversal pattern? Well, if you look here, this is the classical example of a triangle that acts as a reversal pattern. I will change a bit the color for it so that you know what I'm looking at here. Let's make it blue. So this here and this here, like this. So there you go. This would be the triangle that I'm looking for. And the same situation we might have here. First of all, it might be that this is A, B, C, D, and the E wave to the downside here. So that would be the first situation, the first instance. Or another instance would be that this move to the upside is an impulsive move, and then everything that follows it is only being part of the first wave here, and the second wave to come to the upside in the form of an A, B, C, X, and then the move there. Well, that is a bit strange to say the least. So what we might have here out of these two triangles is that the move that ended here with this rising wedge, this one here, so this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the move that ended here with the rising wedge. Sorry, this being the rising wedge, like this one here. Let's make this one a bit smaller so that we know that this is a smaller pattern, or let's say the pattern that we're looking for. This one here. So to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. This to be the end of a previous move. So all in all, what I will look here for the GBP US dollar would be that this to be the end of a possible third wave to the downside, this to be the end of a fourth wave to the downside, sorry, and this to be a possible fifth end. That would be the end of a wave A or a B wave. So what next? Well, next it seems that we have a three-way structure that starts from this moment on the right side, and this three-way structure goes in the following shape: A, B, C here. So I would say that this is a classical A, B, C. Let's try to put it into context. So this would be wave A here. Let's make it of this degree, like this. So this would be wave A here. Then this would be the B wave with that triangle there, A and B. And this would be the C wave here to the downside. So there you go. We have a classical A, B, and C to the downside. Now, because this is a three-way structure, we are looking for this to be part of a wave A of a bigger degree. So therefore, will be only wave A, and let's try to make it of a bigger degree, and of course a different color, not to be confused by the whole situation. So A, B, C, and therefore this would be wave A to the downside. So what to look for next? Well, we're looking for a B wave to the upside, and this B wave to the upside, from my point of view, we have the chances for it to be completed right here at this high. So let's change the structure for it. So that might be the end of our B wave, because at this moment of time, because what you're seeing here might be a classical A, B, C, D, E to the upside. So how should we label such a move? Well, this move here should be labeled in the following situation. We have here a nice A, B, and C, all of a sudden. Then the X wave. So I would go with this being wave A with a classical impulsive move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave A. Then the B wave. Then the C wave out of the same degree to be done here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B, C. Then the X wave to come here. So A, B, C, X. And then just like that, we should look for a wave A to the upside. We should look at a B wave to the downside. a C wave here to mark the triangle, a D wave to mark the lows, and of course A, B, C, D is always being followed by an E wave here, and this to be A, B, C, D, E, and this to be only the end of a B wave out of this degree, so A and B. Now, what do we have here? Well, we have definitely a 3, 3, and a 5-way structure, but this 5-way structure needs to be followed by, so 3, 3, and 5 needs to come with a C wave. This is an irregular flat based on the, or a possible irregular flat based on this pattern, and this irregular flat, exactly like it was this situation with the common flat in here case, this irregular flat needs to come and retrace beyond, and mark my words, beyond these lows, and these lows are 162, 162.52. Therefore, this should come to the downside in a 5-way structure. Therefore, impulsive move, price to go towards 162.15, 17, and this being on a 4-hour chart, it is quite a bearish move. Therefore, the recommendation for the Great Britain pound US dollar into this 4th of March will be to buy, let's try to make it black like this, not the line, sorry. Let's take an arrow to the downside and to make it black like this. So would be to buy put options actually. Now you might say, okay, you're buying put options, but the Bank of England is coming, then we have the non-farm payrolls on Friday, what to do? Well, it doesn't matter, technicals are technicals. So buying put options with end of week expiration date is the logical thing to do, and is the thing that we are recommending here on fairbinaryoptions.com for the Great Britain pound and the US dollar. Thank you very much for being here. Again, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor, Lion Eye. Bye-bye.